Good morning everyone. Myself Mary Jansi, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at TRP Engineering College. So today we are going to see about red-black tree. So red-black tree is a self-balancing binary search tree. So before we are going to see what is red-black tree, we need to know what is binary search tree. So binary search tree is a tree which having two properties. So the first one is the left subtree of the root node has a key value lesser than or equal to the parent node's key. The second one is the right subtree of the node is always having the key value greater than the root node's key value. So whenever we are going to insert or create a binary search tree, we need to check the value with the root node. If the value is lesser than the root node, then we need to insert it as a left subtree. If the value is greater than the root node, then we need to insert it as a right subtree. So this is what binary search tree. So red-black tree we termed as self-balancing binary search tree. So we're going to construct a red-black tree based on the red-black tree properties. So what are the properties we having is, so every node in the red-black tree, it should be in either red or a black color. So every inserted node should be in red. So based on the property, we can change the color of the node. So every red node should have two black childs. Then the root node should always in black. So this is one of the important property. So the last property is, so every path from root to leaf, it should have the same number of black nodes. This means, so if we having two black nodes in left path, then it should follow all the path should be having a same number of black nodes. That is two black nodes in all the path. So these are all the properties of red-black tree. So based on the property only, we are going to construct a red-black tree. So now we are going to see how the properties get violated. So what is the action we need to do for recovering the property? So we having a violation in three cases. In first case, so we having property violation when we try to insert a red node as a child of a red parent. So the case one, we having red on red relationship, but the left path having red subchilds only, in the right path also having red subchilds. So this is a case one. So what is the action we need to do to recover this property violation is, in this case, we need to change the parent node's color as red. Subsequently, we are going to change the child node's color. So if the parent node color is changed to red, then the child node's color should be changed to red of black. So this is the case 1. And in case 2, it is somewhat differ from case 1. In case 1, in all the path, we having a same color subchilds. But in case 2, so one path having a black color, in another path having red color. So in this situation, what we are going to do now, we are going to perform either a single left or a single right rotation. Then we convert the case 2 into a case 3 situation. So what is case 3 means? We having childs as a left skewed or a right skewed manner. So in this case, we are going to perform a single left or a single right to recover from the property violation. So these are all the three cases we are going to follow while constructing a red-black tree when the properties gets violated. So let's work it with an example. So I am going to take the input value as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So as the property, we having every inserted node, it should be in red color. So first I am trying to insert 1. So the property is, if I am going to insert some node, it should be in red color. So I am going to insert 1 as red color. We having another property, the root node color should be black. So 1 is a root node, we need to change the color of root node to black. So now the insertion of 1 is over. Now I am trying to insert 2. Already we having the root node 1 as black. Now before inserting, as I already said, red-black tree is a binary search tree. We need to check whether the value of a node we trying to insert is whether it is lesser than or greater than root node. So I am trying to insert 2 which is greater than root node. As a binary search tree, it should follow a right subtree. So I am trying to insert 2 as a right child of 1 as a red node, because every inserted node should be in red color. Then I need to check whether all the path of the tree having the same number of equal number of black nodes. So here we need to consider the root node also. So in left side we having only one black node, and in right side we having only one black node. So all the properties is satisfied in this insertion. Now we move for insert 3. So we need to check the 3 value with the root node. So 3 is greater than root node, so it follows the right subtree. Again we encounter with the node, that is 2. 3 is greater than 2. Again we follow right subtree. I am going to insert 3 as a right of 2. So now the property is violated. So red on red relationship we get while inserting a 3. So we match with a case. So this is case 3. So what is the solution for case 3? If there is a left skewed or a right skewed red on red relationship, then we need to perform either a single left or a single right. So in this cases there is no left subtree, so we need to do only one left rotation only. So after doing single left, we get a resultant tree as 2, 3, then 1. So whenever we perform the rotation, we just write the same color before we performing the rotation. So after the rotation we need to check the property. Here 2 is the root node. So root node color should be in black. So we need to change the color of 2 as black. So when we change the color of node as 2 as black, we need to check whether we having equal number of black nodes. Since 1 is black, in left side we having 2 black childs, but in right side we having only 1 black child. So the last property get violated. So we need to change the color of 1 as red. So now we can check so whether all the properties are satisfied. So the root node color is black, and in every path we having equal number of black node. So there is one black node in left path and one black node in right path. So all the properties are satisfied. So we completed inserting 3. Now we try to insert 4. So 4 is greater than root node. So we are going to follow the right side. Here we encounter with the node 3, which is also lesser than the inserted node 4. Again we follow the right side. So I am going to insert 4 as a right of 3. So now we having again we encountered with a red on red relationship. So this is similar to case 1. So what is case 1? So case 1 in the sense we having one side we having a subchild, but another side we don't having any subchild. So in this case what we are going to do? We are going to change the color of root node as red. Subsequently we are going to change the color of child nodes. After that we are going to change the root node color as black. So I am going to change the color of root node parent as red. So when we change the color of the parent, subsequently we need to change the color of childs. So this is the execution of case 1. Now again we are going to check property of red black tree. So the root node color should be in black, but here the root node color should be, color is in red. So we need to change the color of root node as black. Okay. Now we're going to check the property of red black tree. So root node color is black. We're having two black nodes in left part and we're having two black nodes in right part. There is no red on red relationship. So all the conditions are satisfied while complete the insertion of 4. Now we're going to insert 5. So we're going to check with the node value. So 5 is greater than 2. So we're going to follow right path. Again we encounter with the node 3 which is lesser than 5. So again we're going to follow right path. Then 4 which is lesser than 5. So we're going to insert 5 as a subchild of right subchild of 4. Okay. Again we encountered with a red on red relationship. So in this case we having left skewed, that is our case 3. So what is the solution? We need to perform either a single left or a single right rotation. So when we were having right skewed, we need to do only single left rotation. So while performing single left, the tree is changed to 4. Okay. So now we need to check the properties of red black tree. Here, whenever we having a red node as a parent, it should having only 2 black childs. So this is one of the property. And another property is it should having a equal number of black nodes on all paths. Here, there is a red node, but we don't have 2 black child. We having only 1 black child. So one of the property is violated. Another property is in this path we having 2 black nodes, but in this path we having 2 black node, but this path we having only 1 black node. So another property of red black tree is also violated. So we need to change the color based on satisfying the property. So what is the solution is, so if we change the color of 4 as 4 from red to black, then we get this path we having 2 black nodes. So what I'm going to do is we're going to change the color of 4 to black. So when we change the color of 4 to black, subsequently we need to change the color of 3 to red. So now there is no red node. So the first property is recovered. In this left side we having 2 black nodes. In this path we having 2 black nodes. This path we having 2 black nodes. So another property is also satisfied. So insertion of 5, we completely satisfy all the properties of red black tree. Now we proceed with the insertion of 6. So 6, when we say 6, it is greater than root node. So we are going to proceed in the right side direction. Again we encounter with 4 which is lesser than the 6. So again we are going to move in right side direction. We encountered with the node 5 which is also lesser than 6. So we need to insert 6 as a right side child of 5. Okay. So again we get a red on red relationship. So in this is a case we having as case 1. So you having same color of nodes in both the path, but we don't having any siblings for this child. So what we going to do? We going to change the parent colors to red, and subsequently we going to change the colors of a child node, and then we can proceed with the property. So when we change this is a parent that is attached to the node that violating the property. So we need to change the color of 4 to red. So when we change the color of 4 to red, that red node should having only 2 black childs. So we need to change the color of 3 and 5 to black. So rest of the nodes remains the same color. Okay, now I am going to check the property of red black tree. Whether the root node is having black, yes, it having black. Whether we having equal number of black nodes on all the path, yes. In this left path we having 2 black nodes. In this path we having 2 black nodes. In this path we having 2 black nodes. Whether the red node having 2 black childs, yes, it having 2 black child. So all the properties of the red black tree is satisfied. So this is the final red black tree we considered for the input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.